Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you again so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look once more at AVAX, double checking a few key things. If you're curious about why I have this big old watermark on the screen, make sure to watch either my Bitcoin or Solana video earlier today, or just go ahead and head on over to House of Crypto and join his wonderful group that is copying every single one of my trades. Awesome stuff. You'll see more to come on that, but for now, let's focus on the positive here. AVAX is recovering fairly well. I wouldn't say it's phenomenal by any stretch, but we are looking at this 0.382 fib level, rejecting the price action, as well as some multiple moving averages. So we're going to talk about that. Let's quickly note the backend data here, and if you get a chance, hit the like button, folks. Comment below. Let's get this in front of more people so we can stop these plagiaristic activities with other communities. It's really, really sad. So, okay, AVAX 7-day look back here. This last 7 days, not a whole heck of a lot, minus $33 being that heavy point of liquidation. We zoom in a little bit further though, there's a lot more longs that could get destroyed as low as 26 to 24. So it's important to know that because the whales are very good about pushing the price action to these liquidation levels. So that way there's no opposition left and they can push the price in the opposite direction and instantly take profit on those longs. Or, inverse, of course, shorts as well if the price is going up. So it's a natural rinse and repeat. That's exactly why price action goes up and exactly why it goes down, because greed is a very real thing. People that have billions of dollars, they want more billions. Okay, so again, it's just kind of a standard thing. We're caught in the crossfire, but it's important not to be, which is why we look at this stuff. Okay, so daily time frame, let's work our way down and kind of go from there. So daily time frame, let's clarify a couple of things here. So first and foremost, we want to look at the moving averages, which are already on the screen. Let's take a look. So first and foremost, we are right smack dab between the 50 and the 20, or actually just above it for now. We got a bullish engulfing candle for today so far, roughly 3 to 4 black crows from previous. So there's a solid chance we're going to see the price action maybe stay in this range. Again, the reason why I say that quite easily is because we have a strong point of control around that $26 mark. I really think $24 is a stretch. It's going to take a tremendous amount of selling pressure to get there. It will have to take Bitcoin to retrace back to its CME gap to see that. While it's still a very probable thing, Bitcoin's looking pretty strong right now with a lot of volume leading into the weekend. I'm speculating we're going to see some profits this weekend here. Okay, and what I mean by that is just some red, of course, but primarily a lot of pumping, because when Bitcoin does this, it's common for other altcoins to kind of follow suit. And again, just depends on how Asia decides they want to sell this evening or not, but a lot of that is up to them. Okay, so for now, what we can see is that we're above most moving averages here, actually all of them as a matter of fact. The 200's lagging behind, and this is generally a good sign. Does it mean we take a long to the moon because of it? No, we're still technically haven't broken free from 50 in the RSI, and it's a common resistance level. While you're probably scoffing right now saying, wait, it's at 51, what are you talking about? Today's candlestick hasn't closed yet, folks. We don't take this daily time frame into consideration until roughly 5.5 hours from now, or 5 hours and 3 minutes. We can see MACD's trying to diverge. A lot of coins are doing this too. So while I think AVAX is due to correct itself, I don't think it has tremendous amount of correction left in it. Again, just from a macros perspective. 4-hour time frame, let's quickly note here. We did not reject off that local point of control at 27.35. We blasted straight through that. So the good news is we're retesting this descending trend line, or basically initially testing it because it's running concurrent with the 20 and the 50-day SMA, but we are still below the 50-day SMA. They're at $29. So again, closing above 29 would be awesome, but I don't know if we're going to see that today. Mainly reason why I say that is because we're right here at 50 in the RSI, tentatively rejecting out. Stochastic starting to top out. While MACD is converging, letting us know a shift of momentum is happening. We haven't closed above A, the fib level here at about 28.70, or B, the simple moving average 50, which is roughly about $29. So again, a solid closure above $29 would make sense. I'm willing to speculate that Ichimoku Cloud is going to confirm this for us, which it is. Take a look at this here. It's a great thing about it. It helps. It runs concurrent with a lot of moving averages, and the beautiful thing about it is with us being above the cloud here, we'll have confirmation soon. So again, a confirming factor for AVAX would be to take a trade at the 28.67 mark or higher, preferably within the next 4 to 6 hours. So by today's candlestick closure, AVAX, if it is above 28.50 or higher, there's a solid chance we're going to see a continuation to the upside this weekend. A lot of that hinges on Bitcoin not dumping, but if Bitcoin can stay at its current price range, 67 to 68K, to 1 or 2 more days, then AVAX will probably continue. There'd be less reason for the price to pull back. Again, there is still reason to pull back with all this liquidation. So just some things to be mindful of. Either way, we're not quite clear yet, but lagging span is free and clear. Conversion lines over the baseline. We're above all all the important moving averages on the hourly. And so this is generally a favorable sign. Let's take a look at our TPO here for the day, and we can kind of recognize that the price action is controlled at about 27.86. Let's use a round number, $28. So today's point of control is $28. That does imply if the price comes down to 28, we may sure see a bounce. Okay. More important, we want to wait for this descending trend line to be broken, and we want to close soundly above this 0.382 fib level at 28.65. I'll post this playout chart on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. And again, as per usual, I'm going to post this on our trade alert section as well, with our newly revised CryptoCache watermark, just to help kind of ensure that plagiarism is limited. And if you are part of House of Crypto's membership inner circle, just know majority of that work over there is mine. So it's unfortunate, but hey, what else can you do? I guess imitation is the most sincerest form of flattery. Thanks again so much for watching. Please like the video, comment below. You get a chance. We'll look forward to seeing the next one. Have a good rest of your day. Take care.